students, welcome back to today's class. In the previous class, we completed public revenue and public expenditure. Today, we will start a new chapter from history, struggle and freedom. All of you know that Gandhiji started his social activities in India involving the problems faced by the indigo farmers in Champaran. Soon, Gandhiji could gain the trust and recognition of the common people of India. Gandhiji became familiar to the Indians after his involvement in addressing the problems of the Indian expatriates in South Africa. His protest in South Africa made him famous. Gandhiji was very popular because he lived among the common people and his food and clothing was similar to that of the common man in India, and he spoke in their language. Common people found in Mahatma Gandhi a savior who could solve their problems. Next, early struggles of Mahatma Gandhi. Some of the regional struggles in which Gandhiji was involved after returning to India from South Africa are the struggles of indigo farmers in Champaran at Bihar in 1970, Ahmedabad cotton mill strike at Gujarat in 1918, and peasant struggle in Kheda at Gujarat in 1980. All the three struggles were regional and based on economic issues. I will explain each. First, the struggle of indigo farmers in Champaran. In Champaran, Gandhiji resorted to disobedience of the British rules, and Satyagraha and his involvement compelled the authorities to pass the laws in favor of the indigo farmers. After his struggle in Champaran, Gandhiji worked for the progress of Champaran region by establishing primary schools, initiating medical aids and involving in cleaning activities. Next, Ahmedabad cotton mill strike. Cotton mill workers in Ahmedabad started their strike in 1918 when they denied plague bonus. Gandhiji got involved in this strike and adopted the same method of protest that he used in Champaran. Following his satyagraha, the authorities agreed to hike the wages of the employees and the strike came to an end. Next, peasant struggle in Kheda. Due to drought and crop failure, farmers in Kheda were living in utter misery. The rulers decided to collect tax from these poor villagers. Starting Satyagraha, Gandhiji protested against the decision. He advised people not to pay tax. Consequently, the authorities were forced to reduce tax rates. His early struggles based on Satyagraha and Ahimsa made Gandhiji a popular leader. Let's find the results of the early struggles that Gandhiji took up in India. The struggles he took up popularized his ideologies and method of protest. Till his entry into the political scenario, national movement was confined to the education section of the society. His methods of protest attracted the layman to the movement. The city-centric national movement spread to rural areas. Gandhiji became a national leader acceptable to all strata of the society. Today we learned about the struggle of indigo farmers in Champaran at Bihar in 1917, Ahmedabad cotton mill strike at Gujarat in 1918, peasant struggle in Kheda at Gujarat in 1918. The results of the early struggles are the struggles he took up popularized his ideologies and method of protest. The city-centric national movement spread to rural areas. Gandhiji became a national leader acceptable to all strata of the society. These are the portions included in the today's topic. Thank you.